even though there's a crane there now because they're restoring the granary. The movie Gladiator, some scenes were shot inside of here many years back. This is the granary from the town, and etc. here. I'll find out more information. I'll probably put a link down in the description, in the textual description. Okay. Kind of a strange looking statue. He looks like a Roman guy. Mighty big feet there. And it looks like the top half of him has been blown away. And that's just what's left of him. He's got his armor on here.
Originally by artists who settled here in Morocco a long time ago. We love Morocco, we settled here, in this culture.
You can see this picture, they're restoring this. This is what I think it used to look like, or should look like here in this picture. But as you can see, I'm not going to walk over there. They're restoring this down there, and there's where the walkways would be on the sides, and on the sides over. This is pretty big, and here's this walkway right here. It's probably that one that you see there in that photograph. So I think it's a beautiful walkway down here. Watch where I'm going, and you can see it. It would be gorgeous to walk down there. There it is, right in the photograph there. See, there's the double walkway. The trees in the center. This is it right here. All right, there you go. Coming up on Thursday Gate. This is the Thursday Gate up here. There's an inscription up top. It's written in Arabic, but it says open to everybody here. So yeah, there it is, the Thursday Gate. There's the inscription up there that goes from right to left, as he told us up there. And this is all newly restored up here. It's in very nice shape. The wall goes all the way up there. And the old palace over there. We got the moon up on top there also there. So you got the horse carriage here if you want to take a little snooze. Oh, my friend. Little horses there. Got their poop bag back there, all set. So, all good. Nice little horses here. A whole bunch of them here. There's more of them up here too. Take a little stroll in the carriage there. They're very nicely appointed. Yeah. This one looks like a Easter egg here or something. And another horsey here. There you go, and this is where we were walking around earlier up here. Going through another passageway here. Coming up another entrance here. Got all shops over on the other side there. And we got a mausoleum that we're going to go inside over here. Shops are right over there. There we go. Going inside here. We gotta watch what I'm doing here. Steps down here. My head. Ooh, look at inside here. Wow. That ceiling up there. Little fountain here. Going up steps here. Mind my steps. Wow, look at all the tiles down here. Inscriptions here. Oh, it's open air on the top. Some of the old columns here. Right here. More tiles in this room here. Another one. All the engravings on the wall here. More steps. Another open air area. Wow. Over here. Gotta take our shoes off coming up here. Okay. This is inside. We took our shoes off here. So we're stocking feet. We got rugs in here, that's why. If they didn't have rugs, we wouldn't have to take our shoes off probably.
And here, on my left side, there are 4 graves. If you could just come here for a while, just to talk to you about the graves, and then...
The 4
so each one of the
famous monarchs and kings, whatever, buried there. The 2 clocks are a gift from France, I believe. So then we have 2 large doors here. Look at the size of these doors. Go way up there. There's the hinge.
That's the niche for the king of stations himself. And whenever you find the mihrab, that shows the direction to New York City. Oh no. To Mecca, right? To the east. And the imam goes inside to make his voice acoustic, so as the others will hear what is done here for the Jewish community. We have the cross here, or the Gothic cross for the Christian community here and there. And we have both the Islamic star, 8 points star. All this to show, as I said, the tolerance between different communities. So what you see there is cedar, but behind that door there is a big cemetery for distant family of that sultan. So you go.
This is a big door here. It's a gigantic door. Just like the other one on the other side there. The other one was bigger. We're going back out. We just came from over in here through those doors. Going back out through the gate through our little thing down here. Back to the bus, and I think then back to our riad or hotel.